What home cost may be unknown to you as far as buying and owning a home? Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team, and our goal in representing any buyer and seller is to minimize surprises that may come along the way. So those are great questions and curiosity of what additional costs may we not be considering. And here's a few estimates to give you a good idea of what to expect. There's a one-time closing cost that ranges from 2 to 5% of your home's purchase price. That is in addition to your down payment. There's also annual home maintenance cost, typically around 1% of a home's value, and monthly utilities run about 10% your gross monthly income. Now, annual property taxes can be anywhere from 0.5 to 2% of your home's value, depending on where you purchase in the United States, and homeowners insurance is usually around 2% of your home's value. Property taxes and home premiums typically add to your monthly mortgage payment and are paid out at escrow by your mortgage company. In Kansas and in Missouri, those are paid 6 months in arrears on your taxes, 30 days arrears on your home interest, and then it will also pay your yearly homeowner premiums. So it really varies on where you're going to be purchasing, and it's always a great idea to meet with a knowledgeable local mortgage lender who can give you all of those exact prices as you go in to purchase a home. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to comment below or reach out today. It'd be a pleasure to talk with you of the overall process in purchasing, selling, buying, investing in real estate.